Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can disable the vibration at the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G. And I think you've realized it already, even if you have muted your phone, you are still having the vibration for incoming messages and notifications and so on. Let me show you how you can turn it off. For that, you need to go here to the settings. Then you need to go down a bit to the point sound and vibration. We are still having here the vibration, no? And yeah, here you find a bit below the point vibrate, no? And you need to remove vibrate for cause and as well vibrate in silent mode. And just then you're having no vibration anymore. If you want to remove it also, if you tap the screen, so the haptic feedback, you need to tap here as well. And then you will have no vibration, even if you have touched the screen and so on. So everything completely muted. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something out. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or you can also subscribe me if you want. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.